Record labels come and go, but one music publishing company stands mountains above the rest when it comes to my favorite type of compilation, Now Music. We're going to look at 3 vinyl records right now. Welcome back. I'm Kevin K from KevinK.com, and on this channel I do a lot of YouTube tutorials, product reviews, and a lot of live streaming, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Vinyl records are my one guilty pleasure in life. I used to be a DJ. I have thousands of records in my collection, but over the last few years I started buying some more vinyl records just to listen to for my own pleasure. So today I just want to show you one of the records that inspired me to start buying vinyl records again. I don't even remember how I found this online, probably window shopping through Amazon, Urban Outfitters, Barnes & Noble, and what I came across was this. Now that's what I call number ones. This is an incredible compilation, and I'm going to show you the beautiful package that they've done. This is just a wide spine jacket, but you can see a gorgeous front cover, and then of course we have a track list on the back. Let's take a better look at that. This compilation's made up of nothing but number one hits, from the Black Eyed Peas to Lady Gaga to Coldplay. Even Mariah Carey made the cut. If you've seen my other vinyl record videos, you know that I've already opened this and been listening to it many times. But I wanted to take another quick look at it just to show you the kind of things that they've been doing with vinyl records lately. Colored vinyl's always been a thing, but now it's become a lot more popular. So here we have pure white vinyl with different colored labels on each side and a track list, which I really enjoy. As I pull out the second piece of vinyl, we're going to see an identical record, just that, of course, the tracks are a little bit different and there's slight discoloring, which is kind of cool, makes our record unique. I'm going to leave links in the description of this video so that you can get more information about each of these titles and possibly purchase them for yourself. Although I happen to be in Canada, this was a record that was ordered from the United States. I didn't even know that yacht rock was such a popular genre of music until I saw this album and how popular it was. So this is now, that's what I call Yacht Rock Volume 1. There's already a Volume 2 available, sold out everywhere, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my hands on that, but this is a beautiful compilation. Now, as you can see, I've just opened this for the first time, but this is another wide spine jacket with double vinyl. On the front, we have a gorgeous cover like always, and then on the back, we have our track list with some more beautiful artwork. As we take a better look at the cover and track list, we'll notice that Kenny Loggins is here. We see Gino Vanelli, and the world famous Africa Toto is on this compilation. Now let's slide out the records and see what we've actually got. I'm looking at these for the first time. So when we pull out the first record, we'll see a translucent, clear vinyl with just a little bit of gray and blue splatter, kind of aqua looking, and then identical labels, but the track list is there, which I really love. I'm just going to bring out the second piece of vinyl so that we can see if these are identical records. They aren't always, and in this case, they seem to be. I really love when the track list is included on the labels so that you can reference it while you're listening to the record. The next record that we're going to look at was ordered from the UK from the Now Music official store, and I'm opening this one for the first time. This is the 1983 yearbook. As I'm filming this, I have already ordered the 1984 yearbook, so I hope this is a series they're going to keep going with, and I can't wait to get my next record. You'll have to subscribe to my channel and put on those notifications so you don't miss the next video when I get that record and open it up. All of the records that we're looking at today have a wide spine jacket, and on the front, of course, we see beautiful artwork, and on the back, a very detailed track list for this triple vinyl package. As we take a better look at the jacket on this one, we can see that this is a power-packed collection of number one hits from Billy Joel to U2, even Bonnie Tyler made the cut on this one. I'm looking at these records for the first time, so I'm going to pull the first one out and we'll see exactly what we've got for vinyl here. We can tell it's colored vinyl, and this is almost a translucent red with a black polyline sleeve, and we've just got our logos on identical labels on each side of the record. I'll pull out the second record so that we can see what we've got for vinyl. We can see that it's another almost translucent red vinyl record, looking very much like the first one. And if you were to take a guess about the third record, I bet we'll both be right saying that this is another translucent red vinyl record, looking identical to the first two. They do say LP1, LP2, and LP3 on the labels. But the track list we're going to have to reference from the Wide Spine jacket. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video so that you can get more information about these three titles and possibly even purchase them for yourself. I've got a couple more brand new unopened vinyl records from Now Music, and I'm going to open those in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up and share it with any music lovers or people who you think would like to see it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've picked up any music from Now Music, any of these compilations or other ones that I might have missed. And I'll see you the next time from KevinK.com. Take care. Bye-bye.